Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to make wearing calibration on your headphones SOUNDCORE Space One. You have to start by open the application and now go to settings at the right top. Right here we have wear detection, so if you have this disabled, you just click here and you start this calibration. And if you have it enabled, you have right here the line we're in calibration, so just click on it and it's starting. So let's go, confirm. Now put your headphones on the table and make sure that this sensor right here is clean. And then click calibrate. And let's go to the step 2. And again click calibrate. And then done. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!